Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rakesh. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can start forever living business. So I will explain you step by step everything and give you valuable information. So it's my request to all of you, please watch this video till the end and get some valuable information. And it's also my request to all of you, please like, share and subscribe my channel to support me. Your support, your help will grow me and will give me confidence to make some more informative video with honesty. So let's start the video. So my friend, are you looking for a business that gives you freedom, flexibility and a chance to build your own future? So in this video, I will explain you step by step everything that how you can join, you can start forever living business and how you can start your journey towards success. So my friend, at the end, you will know exactly what to do, how much it cost and what will you receive from this business. So my friend, let's talk about company. What is Forever Living Company? So this company, established in 1978, operates in 160 plus countries. This company offers health, wellness, personal care, skin care, and aloe vera based products. All these products are so effective, pure, and safe. People join this company as a independent business owner. So my friend, it's not just about product. It's all about building better lifestyle and long-term income source. So my friend, let's talk about one of the most important question that you always think, that why you should join Forever Living Products. So here are the some benefits. So I'm going to tell you the benefits. First benefit, low investment, high potential. In this business, you have to put low investment. You can start your business from low investment, but you will get high income. Second, global opportunity. You can handle this business from anywhere, like from home. If you are a housewife, then you can handle this business from home while taking care of family. From while traveling, while if you are on vacation, yeah, if you are doing job, then you can also handle this business from your job. Like you can do this business as a part time. Third one, passive income. Earn even when you are not actively working. Fourth, personal development. In this business, you will get training, free training, mentorship, and leadership growth. So all these things will useful in your future. So my friend, imagine working from your phone and earning globally. That is what why Forever Living Products gives you. My friends, now I'm going to tell you, I'm going to guide you the joining process step by step. So how you can join this business. So first step, find a sponsor. You can't join this business directly. You need an existing sponsor that will guide you. Second, registration. You have to fill out the registration form by using your sponsor's ID. Third, starter pack. So in this starter pack, there are some aloe vera based product, business literature, and your unique ID. So that is the investment of this business. Okay. So if you don't know about the starter pack, then their company actually gives two options to start your business: uh, low investment and some medium investment. So you can you can watch video in my YouTube channel about two options to start this business. I will also give you the link in the description. Next, get your Forever ID number. So this is your forever ID number. You have to get this number. And next, access online portal. So log in to track your business, earning and your orders. So all these steps you have to follow, then you will start your business. So my friend, so next step. So maximum people ask this question that what happens after joining. So now I will guide you step by step. So you get a starter kit, products plus training material. Then you get access online tool and officially FLP application for FLB ID number, okay, and support of your sponsor and team. Now after joining, your first step will be use the products yourself to get some confidence, because when you use product on yourself, then you will explain perfectly to others. Next, share products with the family and with your friends, okay. And next, learn about the company, learn about 2cc basic qualification of income, and learn about the company marketing plan. Then attend webinar and training for the guidance. So my friend, let's talk about some tips for success in forever business. First tip, don't treat it like a side hobby, treat it like a real business, okay, and take it serious. Second, consistent with learning and product usage. Third, build your network by using WhatsApp, social media, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, whatever you have. Just use all your social media platform to build the network. And last, focus on others succeed, because your growth comes with their growth. So joining forever living business is so simple, but what truly matters is your commitment to grow. So if you are interested in joining, then reach out to me directly. I will help you with the registration and guide you step by step according company policy. So don't wait for the perfect time. Grab this opportunity, because this opportunity can change your life if you take action today. So thank you for watching my video till the end. See you in next video.